Hey everyone, Diptesh here, back again with another quick tutorial video. So have you ever noticed when you shoot videos with your Samsung Galaxy phone during the daytime, you get beautiful colors, very pleasant looking colors, video quality is very sharp, there's a lot of details, great dynamic range, and yeah, overall the video looks very good. But just as soon as the sun goes down and the light level around starts to fall, the video quality just goes down the drain. The image becomes very soft, it becomes mushy, there is no detail at all, and overall the video looks very unpleasant. And this doesn't only happen in lower end phones, it happens in higher end phones like the Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra. So does that mean Samsung phones just suck at low light videos? Well, not really. You see, the reason for this downgrade in video quality in low light situations is not really because of the physical sensor actually. It's basically the extremely high level of noise reduction that Samsung applies on lower light situations, trying to reduce as much noise as possible. I don't know, is Samsung really afraid of noise that much, or are you guys really afraid of noise that Samsung tries to keep their videos as noiseless as possible? And they just fail to do it. In low light, the videos have no details because the noise reduction is so aggressive that it wipes out all the details along with the noise. And this makes the videos look very bad, it just looks very unpleasant. So how do we get rid of this issue? How do we improve this video quality in low light situations? Well, it's actually very easy, and I bet no other YouTuber will actually give you this solution. All you have to do is to prevent the phone from applying this noise reduction on the video. And how do you do that? All you have to do is switch from video mode to pro video mode. That's all you have to do. You have to switch from video mode to pro video mode. Check this example out. Here is a screen recording of the preview of the video mode, the regular video mode. And look at the image. There is no detail. The rocks and the tree leaves and there's like no textures. It's all blurry and mushy. And just look at it. As soon as I switch over to pro video mode, magically all the details just come back. The stones have so much texture, the leaves, the road, and everything. There is a punch and crispness to the video that comes back. And as soon as you switch back to video mode, you can see all the detail just goes away. Switching back to pro video mode and see all the details just come back. That's the reason. In pro video mode, Samsung doesn't apply that level, like that heavy level of noise reduction. And that's the reason the video has loads of detail. It's almost like you turn on a switch that disables the noise reduction and you get back all the details, and the video quality looks phenomenal. That video is shot on this Galaxy S20 5G, and that is some of the best quality low light videos that you will see on any other phone. You can compare this video quality with iPhones, I can guarantee you that. And in many situations, you will actually find the Samsung phone having more details. It is incredible. I don't know why Samsung applies this level of noise reduction in their automatic video mode. I hate it. I think Samsung should just reduce the level of noise reduction they apply on the regular video mode. Now I know you may have one question. You may ask, hey Diptesh, I'm not a professional. I don't know how to use pro video mode. I don't know what settings to use. Well guys, you don't really have to know what settings you have to use, because you can use pro video mode completely in automatic settings. You see, here's a screen recording and I'm showing you when you move the phone from a brighter area to a lower light area, the phone will automatically choose the ISO and the shutter speed. As you can see here, the ISO and the shutter speed is adjusting itself depending upon the exposure. And yeah, you don't have to change anything. Now, if you have the expertise, obviously you have greater amount of control with pro video mode. You can control the shutter speed, the ISO, the focus, the white balance and all that. So if you want, you can, but you don't have to. You can use pro video mode completely in automatic settings and get all the details and great quality low light videos. Another suggestion that I would like to give you is to disable the image stabilization, the EIS, for low light videos. In fact, don't use image stabilization. I don't like it because EIS crops the video and that degrades video quality. So phones like the Galaxy S series all have OIS. Even some of the higher end A series phones have OIS. So you don't necessarily need EIS when you're shooting using the main camera. Using EIS in low light introduces a lot of motion blur and the image looks even worse. Since most higher end Samsung phones have OIS in the main camera, you just have to master the ninja walk to keep the phone stabilized and get better quality video. So yeah, I just recommend you to turn off EIS when you're shooting in low light. Plus, if you're actually serious about shooting videos with your phone, I would just recommend you to get a gimbal. and then disable EIS and just shoot with the gimbal to stabilize your footage. So yeah, those were some tips that I wanted to give you. Now I'm gonna show you a bunch of clips side by side to just show you the differences in various situations, and you will be shocked to see how big the difference can be. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Also hit the like button and comment down below if you are trying Pro Video mode after seeing this video. Go ahead and try that. Take your phone to a lower light situation, especially somewhere where there is a lot of texture, and low light, let's say to your garden where there are leaves and flowers and all that things. Then you will see the difference between regular automatic video mode and Pro Video mode in low light. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.